Combining the Masui's excellent heat retention properties with the Kamado's precision heat control, the Masui Kamado can keep the pot at a constant temperature, which makes it ideal for searing and stir-frying at high heat. Let's take a look at how easy it is to make a stir-fry dish like fried rice. First, preheat the pot on medium heat. After about 3 minutes, a Grill OK sign will appear, indicating that the pot is preheated and ready. Add cooking oil and spread evenly. Add eggs and stir quickly. As soon as the eggs are half scrambled, add in rice and keep stirring to break up the rice. Once moisture from rice is removed, add other ingredients and seasonings. Because the Masui Kamado does an excellent job retaining high heat throughout cooking, restaurant-quality stir-fries can be easily achieved at home without having to use a wok. That's it! Light and fluffy fried rice is done. The Masui Kamado excels at slow cooking, and the quality of braises and stews is at another level, primarily for 2 key reasons: heat retention properties of a cast iron, and more importantly, the precision seal. Here are important cooking tips when braising and stewing using the Masui Kamado. First, sear the proteins to add depth and build flavors. This makes a big difference in the finish. When searing, preheat the pot on medium heat. Add oil once the Grill OK sign appears. Sear the beef. Make sure to keep braising liquid to a minimum, as the precision seal helps contain moisture and juices within the pot. By reducing the amount of liquid, you'll retain more flavors and nutrients. No more flavorless meat in your stews. Spices and seasonings play a big role in braises and stews. The precision seal retains the aroma of spices and intensifies the flavors within the pot, so make sure to cover when cooking. Compared to slow cookers, simmering time can be reduced by half or even more. The precision seal contains the steam within the pot and helps create steam convection. Combined with the Kamado's even heat distribution, it helps cook food faster and more efficiently. What this means is you can always tenderize meat without diluting flavors. Unlike pressure cookers, the Masui Kamado does not force food to cook faster, which helps retain texture and keeps the flavors of each ingredient intact. The Masui Kamado is a perfect tool for one-pot cooking. You can build flavors by browning ingredients before simmering. Once it's set, you can walk away knowing that the Masui Kamado will do the rest. Please check out our website for more recipes.